Today's question from the comments comes from James. He says, the IRS sent the levy to my bank for $83.68. I know you have 21 days, so I got a loan for my retirement and paid the money right before the 21 days ran out. I paid it on the IRS website and I have the receipt. On the 21st day, they took that $83.68 from my bank account, even though I had already paid the levy. What do I do now? They won't give me my money back. They got paid twice and I need that cash. James, first of all, I feel your pain on this one. But before I answer the question, let me give a little bit of background context about James's actual situation. Number one, he owes over $60,000 for multiple tax years between 2017 and 2023. The levy was only for 2017, which had a balance of $8,638. The levy did not cover the other years that still have balances. Number two, paying the tax debt is not enough to stop a bank levy. You also need to secure a levy release and make sure that your bank actually receives it before the 21st day. Otherwise, the levy is still in effect and the bank is required to follow the levy and send your money to the IRS on day 21. Number three, when James paid the $86.38, that only satisfied balances for 2017. And when the bank sent the second $86.38, the IRS applied that payment to the other years with balances. I know that hurts, but this is something that they are legally allowed to do. I know this feels unfair, but he does still have options. Option number one is to request an administrative refund or return of levied property. The 2017 liability was paid in full before day 21. So the IRS actually collected more than it was legally owed for the tax year listed on the levy. You are not likely to get this type of relief from the frontline representative that initially answers your call. You're going to need to escalate to a collections manager or supervisor. Remember, the IRS is legally allowed to do what they did. So you're asking, not demanding, that they use discretion and issue you a refund. Option number two, you need to get the tax advocate service involved in helping to persuade collections to issue that refund. Option number three, if they still deny your request, you have the right to appeal this decision through the IRS Collection Appeals Program, known as CAP. Here's the takeaway. Paying the tax alone is not enough. You still need an actual levy release to stop a levy. If you owe for multiple years, the IRS can apply payments to any year with a debt balance. Look, guys, if you owe the IRS, I want you to know that there are programs in place to help you get a fresh start. Just go over to www.levyking.com to learn your